We have a beige gel, so for all of you it's just curious, I did have a beige gel on and tie the nails, and here for is 10 seconds already. And then we're gonna using this brush number 10, a single gel brush, application brush. Get a smaller amount of like cute colors, like I would call it strawberry. It's just so beautiful. The name it's like study session, but this is the one of the colors, our 4 colors that come in the palette. So if you are sub your box, this is your beautiful exclusive color at the moment right now. But if you're interested in, it's a lot of other gel palettes. There is available on the websites as well. So I'm gonna do like about half of those nails because this is so adorable and it's cute. I'm excited for this short. A lot of you asking for this, and here you go. All right, so it's 1 coat. I'm not using a brush number 1. Is the like a flower brush. So using a little bit of beige gels, and I'm put it right in the palettes right here. I don't know if you can see it, maybe it's not. Yeah, just put it in the palettes right here. And then I'm just like soften it, my bristle with the beige gels, and keep the brush, the bristles parallel with the nail surface, and keep blending. Okay, same thing with this. Repeat the rest of them. It is so cute and easy, even when you are applying this on the client's nails, and then you can able to do this design too. I promise it won't take crazy. It's a lot of time, because once you have your is gel extensions insert tips application on to do this, it's really cute and simple ombre cat eye designs. It won't take that much time. All right, so do the rest of them using a little bit of a beige gels. Hopes everyone having a fabulous Friday and productive Friday. We've been really busy. It's your gel extensions almond short and coffin short is available right now. Great chance for you to grab it. This is a great size for all the clients who is doing like office work, a lot of typing. Also for a lot of clients you are doing and serving is in medical fields. They will allow to using wearing some shorter nails. And for anyone who just don't want long nails and can still have a beautiful, cute, and it has some great protection for the nails. All right, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. How easy it is. You